Hi, my name's Abby. Welcome to Quick Make on Cooking with Abby. Today we're making a caramel sauce. This is a great yummy sauce that you can put on apples, any other fresh fruit, ice cream, cakes, and anything else that you want to add a little bit of a sweet touch to it. Shall we get started? So this is the recipe. You can also find it at cookingwithabby.com. So first we're going to add our sugar, then our salt, we're going to mix it. Now we're going to dissolve it in a bit of water. Now we're going to cook this on medium heat and wait till it starts to turn into like a caramel brown color. It's important to continuously stir this so it doesn't overheat and gets all clumpy. And you want to make sure that it's also evenly heated. Once the color changes, we're going to add our cream and our butter, but you have to move quickly, so make sure you have your ingredients measured out because it's going to bubble, and that's okay. Remember that at any point you can always take it off the heat if you think it's getting too brown too quickly. It's important to use a wooden spoon or a spatula that can be in high heat so it doesn't melt. So now you see it's boiling and the color change will happen very quickly now. You need to be very careful for it not to splash because it's extremely hot and will burn you. You can start to see our color changing already. You have to make sure that you get it all off the sides so you get it all mixed in. So as you see on ours, it's starting to get a little more yellow. You need to keep an eye out at this point because now it's going to start to get a lot faster. So now it's more gold than it was before. Sometimes you can let it sit for a bit and then stir again. The color is intensifying and now it's starting to turn the color we want it to. So this is the color we want. You should add your butter first because that's going to splash the most. So now it's sort of turning into a thick paste, and that's not only okay, it's exactly what we're looking for. So as you saw, we have to move very quickly. This may be a little darker than what we were after, but I'm sure it'll taste good. We're gonna let this cool down for a bit and then transfer it to a jar, where it can sit in the fridge for about 3 weeks. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.